Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a cool comparison video for you. We will be comparing Diode Dynamics interior lighting with Meso Customs interior lighting and figuring out which one suits your needs the best. We'll start off with this 5th gen has all Diode Dynamics. Okay, so one really nice thing about Diode Dynamics lights is that you're able to keep your OEM style. So you keep all of these original lenses, but it'll just give you options of more output. Diode also has options of different color lighting. This option is the cool white. They also sell a warm white, a red light, and a blue light. A really cool thing about a red light is it doesn't affect your night vision, which is really cool. A nice feature to have. And blue light is used for when you're doing things with night vision, such as night vision scopes, goggles. So if you're a hunter or something along those lines, blue light good option for you. Meso Customs makes amazing products that are really cool and definitely an upgrade, but they only make for your map, dome, and hatch lights, where Diode, you have a replacement bulb for every single one of your lights in your 4Runner. The Diode kit comes with vanity light replacements, map lights, dome, hatch, and your door lights, which is really cool because then you can open up everything and everything will match. One downside about the Diode lights compared to the Meso lights is when you do choose what style, what color of light you would like, that's the color that you have permanently until you replace the bulb. So this bulb is white, it's going to be white. There's no option to turn it red. Where Meso, they have a switchback option to where white or red, which is a really cool option. So one really important thing to add about Diode and Meso is that they are both enormous upgrades from the OEM lighting. Both of them are an LED option, which uses less energy and will last longer than the stock halogen lighting that comes in your 4Runner. So that being said, either one companies based on your personal preferences is going to be a great option for you and a huge upgrade on your interior lighting. All right, now let's jump into other 4Runner, take a look at the Meso. When you first hop into the car, the first thing that you notice is that the light from the Meso Customs is a lot more direct. Diode Dynamics does a better job of dispersing the light because of your OEM covers that are able to stay on. But the nice thing about having these open diodes is that they provide a lot of light. It's very well lit in here, which helps for anything that you need to do in here. Another really cool option is that the Meso Customs ones turn to red with just the push of a button. I love that with these lights, you can set them to red, and then when the car is closed or turned off, it doesn't reset them to white. So if you have them on red, when you open up the door, your natural light will be red, which is a cool option. Also, when it comes to overall styling of the Diode versus the Meso's Custom, it's very personal opinion based. You either love or hate the way that these look. It's definitely different from the OEM look, but I like it. Like we said earlier, the one downside to Meso Customs lights is that they only come with map, dome, and hatch. But the nice thing about having Diode and Meso is what all of our guys do here is if they decide to run the Mesos, they run the Diodes where they don't have the Meso option. I think both of these companies are really great. They make an amazing product that totally transforms the inside of your 4Runner. And so it's all based on personal preference of what you prefer, what look you're going for. Overall functionality, or you want to keep that OEM look. But both options, Diode Dynamics and Meso Customs, are great. When it comes to deciding between Diode Dynamics and Meso Customs, there's a lot of decisions that you need to make. With Diode Dynamics, you keep that OEM styling that we know and we love, and it's great. With Meso Customs, you get a new upgraded look that's also incredible. It's really up to you. But what really needs to be stressed is that both of these options are huge upgrades from your OEM halogen lights. Not only do they save on energy, but the light output is immensely bigger. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe and let us know what other comparisons you'd like us to do.